Getting 4,000 watch hours is now made easy. In fact, it's the simplest now. You are trusting to get your 4,000 watch hours in the next 21 or 31 days. Then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video, I have two major strategies that I just discovered. Guys, you don't want to miss any one. In fact, let me share something with you. I share one of these strategy with one of my students. He reached out to me and he was asking question on how to get his channel monetized. That his channel has been there for more than 3 years. That he created a channel. The channel has been there for 3 years, and that he really wants to get monetized very fast. And I told him one major strategy. And in less than 4 days, I'm telling you, in less than 4 days, consistently, he got his monetization unlocked. So if you are seeing this video right now, you are the next person that is going to unlock that monetization tab. So I want you to go to the comment section and type how many watch hours you have right now, or how many watch hours you need to get your 4,000 watch hours. Let me tell you something. 1,000 subscribers is not as hard as 4,000 watch hours. So let me take you through with the first method. This particular method, you've heard about me talking about it countless times. I will stop talking about it because I want everybody to get monetized before the end of this year. The reason is because I want you to start making money from what you enjoy doing. So let's do it very fast, right? And of course, you know that to get monetized on YouTube, you need that 4,000 watch hours to unlock the full monetization. If you're a small content creator or you just starting, you might not really have enough views on your videos, and you need views to get your watch hours. The more views you have, the more watch hours you accumulate. It's not really about the time you spend now. It can be 2 minutes, but your watch hours is heavy. All right. So like I said, I've showed you this strategy, how I used it to do mine. So if you've not watched all of these videos that I used, how I did mine, I'm going to drop them in the description of this video. So go ahead and watch the step-by-step on how you can get it done, and get it done very fast. So one of the ways you can get your 4,000 watch hours is using riddles. Riddles is one of the simplest way I introduced to him. So when I introduced to him, he did the first time, it wasn't giving him the result. He reached out to me, was complaining that it's not working for you. I told him, don't stop. The reason is because you are training. See, the moment you become consistent, it becomes, people begin to know that you do things like this, and the more they keep seeing you, the more they want to come. The more they come, more will also be coming. Do you understand? So he used these riddles. For the first week was not it. Like it was like it was going to quit. He felt like quitting, but I told him if he quits, you're going to lose everything. Do you know what? He consistently stayed. After the first week, the second week, in less than 4 days, he was able to send me an email. Like he sent me a message telling me that, whoa, it has happened. I said, what? He has gotten his 4,000 valid public watch hours. So now the channel is monetized. That is the first method. Shouldn't sleep on this method, because if you are following me, I've made videos on how you can do it step by step, how you can generate those puzzles, how you can generate those riddles to use, how you can set it up and use restream, screencasts, and all of that. The next method I want to share with you in this video that it can help you get your 4,000 watch hours is using this particular app, Prism Live. Guys, you don't have to sleep on it. I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can set it up and get it running. All right, so now listen to this part. If you have a pre-recorded video that you want to use for this live stream, beautiful. If you don't have, you can go to Instagram and get a video. Now remember, for you not to get a copyright issue and for you not to be sanctioned for inauthentic or low effort content, you want to monetize your channel. And if at the end of all these trades, YouTube now rejects your channel for monetization, how will you feel? So I want to share with you the safest method, like the safest way you can get those videos and use them as pre-recorded video during your live stream that will not get you into trouble. Now, one of the method is you heading over to maybe Instagram. All right, be very certain that you do this, like you follow this step. Don't just download the video and use it like that, else it's going to serve you punishment in the long run. When you download this video, take it over to your editing software, maybe CapCut, InShot, and all of that. Make sure you edit part, even if it means for you to remove the sound of that video, the original sound of the video. Go to YouTube library and download a sound, use it to replace the previous one. Automatically you've altered that video, so it becomes yours. But when you download it and use the same everything, it becomes a reused content, and that this can actually wait for you in the future and hurt your channel. The moment you get this video, or maybe you have a funny video that you also made, you've seen something funny. People love to watch things that will make them to stay, something that will make them to be, like curiosity driven videos. Do you understand? So if you can find things like this, beautiful. If you cannot, you can still use these riddles, puzzles, these quizzes, using this Prism Live as well. I want to set it up for you right now, and you see how you can use it and get your 4,000 watch hours. What you need to do is head over to your Play Store. If you have a Play Store Android phone, or if you have iPhone, you can go to Apple Store and search for this Prism Live Studio. Okay, that first one, Prism Live Studio. This is how it looks like there. Installed it. All right, you're going to see Prism Live Studio. Once you install it, it's going to be installed into your phone. Okay, so you follow these steps. Okay, pay attention, because at this point, if you miss any step, you have to, I don't know, because even if it means for you to pause the video and watch it again and again to get it right. Because when I was also looking for 4,000 watch hours, that is how I did. When I get to a point that I need more clarity, I have to pause and watch over and over till I'm able to get it. You can do the same thing. When you've installed the Prism Live from your Play Store, right? You go ahead and open it. That's the Prism Live. This is what the interface looks like. Prism Live Studio, right? So you go ahead and open it and wait for it to load. Now the very first thing you're going to see sign in, or you sign up, right? Okay, so if you already have an account with them, in fact, you don't even need to do much. Just go ahead and use your Gmail. All right, this Google, right? Sign in with Google. It's going to sign in. It makes it easier here. All right. Then from here you can select the email you want to use to sign in. So when I sign into apps like this, all right, I don't use my email. That's the one that's associated with my YouTube studio or something. You understand, on my YouTube. So just be very careful there. You don't grant permission to any app you're not sure of, all right? So go ahead and click OK. This is what it's going to happen. So when you see this, allow Prism Live to take pictures and record video. Yes, so you're going to say while using this app. So click that while using this app. You know, I said allow Prism Live to record audio. I said while using this app. Yes, so now I said allow Prism Live to send you notifications. Of course, allowed, so that they will not cancel whatever they have to do, right? Beautiful. So the moment to sign in, this is how it's going to pop up. Okay, yes, it will show like it is showing now. It's showing me. Look at me. See me? What are you seeing here? So the interface opened up like this. Once it opens up like this, the next thing you're going to do is to swipe. Just swipe. Okay, swipe to your left, right? Is that your left or right? Yeah, just swipe the way I'm swiping now, right? Now you're going to see media, playlist, text, winged. So we are going to open this media. All right, this media is going to take us to your phone to bring in the video, if you already have it. So see, they want to see video and photo. So let's open it. It's going to take us to bring in allowed all. Let's allow all, so they can have access to choices. So if you have the awesome, so let's add it. Okay, so it's added. Awesome. So look at it here. It's already here. All right, so you're going to click on it. You see currently applied. All right, so this is it. It will show up on your interface automatically. I want to show you something. You see this loop? Great, it's looped. You see this volume, you can adjust the volume. If you don't want the volume to be loud, you can adjust it. If you want it to be loud, you can adjust it. Then this place that is like that three sign, you just click on it to full the screen. All right, once you full the screen, okay, so this is perfect. All right, so if you want it to play now, just tap on it, play.
My son, no matter how hot your anger burns, it cannot boil beans.
Awesome.
My son, no matter.
You see, it's repeating, so it can loop like this forever, as long as you want. You want to stay for 7 hours, want to stay for 2 hours, 4 hours, you loop it, but like I said, beware of the video you use. If you are using a picture, you don't have any issues, you just have to place it there and then leave. All right, so that is that. Then the moment you are done this, okay, the moment you are done, you're going to switch to live. You see, look at this down part, you see video, picture, video, okay, and then live. So switch to this live, okay. Now you've selected this live. Now you can now click on this ready. Once you click on this ready, we are about to link our YouTube URL. The first thing is to log into your YouTube studio using the desktop version. Whether you are using your PC or you're using your phone, you see the same thing. Check that angle there. You are going to see go live. That sign that is there. Click there. Remember, we are trying to get our stream key. All right. Without that key, we cannot stream. So once you click on that, not this webcam, okay, it might show you this webcam. You need to switch over to that stream. Once you switched over to the stream, you're going to look up there. If your phone is small, you need to adjust zoom out or zoom in just to make sure you find all the interface. So you look up there at the top of that place, you want to see copy. That is the default stream, okay, the stream key. So copy that stream and make sure you have it somewhere, or hold it in your clipboard or save it somewhere. Just when you want to go streaming, when you want to start your streaming. So just do that, all right? I've copied it. Then make sure these things are set to public, okay? Edit everything, make sure this is public so that in case of anything, you will not have issues like, or maybe it's not visible for people on YouTube to see, all right? With that, let's head over back to our Prism Live. Perfect. Okay. So we are ready now, right? Let's click on this ready so I can connect our stream key. Look at, we have the first one is connect to YouTube. We don't want to connect to YouTube directly. We want to use the stream key. Now, once you click on this YouTube RTMB, now the first one you don't have to touch it because that one is already there. All right, the second one, which is required, is supposed to be empty like this if you've not used this app before. But if you've used it before, you'll find it's already there. So it will just link up automatically. So you paste that URL there, that streaming key. You've pasted it there, right? Now you're going to go ahead and save it. The moment you save, now it's connected to your YouTube right now. Once you click on that sign that is there, all right, you're going to see this, my mic is on. That's the reason why you're seeing this is reading. See, my mic is on, is reading. Okay, so you can mute it by clicking it and unmute it if you want to say something. So I mute it because I don't need it. All right, so this is the channel that is connected, which is my YouTube currently. Now you can see this go live. This go live, the moment I click go live, it's going to go live on YouTube. So let's try and see if it is true. Right, but I don't want to go live, right? But if you do this, it's going to go live. So let's say we go live. Please click on the go live button on your YouTube. Okay, so this is the one. It cannot be great. All right, so this is perfect. Awesome. So it's already live, right? Great. So if you go to your YouTube, you go to your YouTube handle, you're going to see that this video is live. Let me check my YouTube. The video is live, so play it. Oh, don't allow it to be, because this is not picture. So just play it.
My son,
Great.
no matter how hot your anger burns, it cannot boil beans. My son, no matter how hot your anger,
Leave it there for as many hours as you want. You want it to stay for 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. Maximum, don't exceed 11 hours, please. That's what I will always advise people. Please don't exceed 11 hours. Maximum 11 hours. Don't exceed it. Don't try to achieve all the 4,000 watch hours in one day. So you can use this method, and make sure you have a strong network. You see end here. All right, you click on this end and it's going to end over there. Yes, it will stop streaming on YouTube. So I'm going to head over to delete it, because ending live broadcast. So it's ending. So this is how you go about it using this particular app. Guys, if you watched to this moment, I want you to like this video. Drop a comment for me in the comment section of this video. Let me know how to help you achieve this faster this year. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you've not shared this video to your friends or loved ones, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and share this video. Let people know about this, because as far as this channel is concerned, I want to see everybody get it monetized and stay monetized. So meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Quick, and in this channel, I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize the right way and stay monetized. No shortcut, no gatekeeping, sharing all the strategies and mistakes to avoid. See you in the next one.